Alright, Scott's gonna go freak out the whole group of birds.
You ready? You want me to do it?
See how much shit we get on us. And hopefully he doesn't get stuck in that stuff. Oh, there they go.
Didn't take much.
And here comes the bird shit.
Dive bomb.
All over our heads.
Dive bomb. Oh yeah, they're sitting right there.
Yep, they're coming for us.
Awesome.
They just basically make a round and then they go settle back in the same place where they started.
Yeah.
What's the little white bird?
The little white ones? Oh, yeah, I've seen those before. Can't remember what those are called. They're beautiful though, aren't they? They got those little swallowtails and... Yeah, very cool. All right, thanks Scott for riling up the birds.